Guys, welcome back in channel. Today we are going to unboxing. Hello, welcome back in channel. Today we are going to unboxing. Happy Halloween, guys! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! So many. What's this? Ano ito? What's this?
Open, hilahin mo ito.
Now we are going to the tali. Tandali. Here's it. Now let's open it. Wow! It's have frosting, guys. Wow! We're going to make the cupcake of it.
Cupcake na DIY. Yan.
DIY?
Pwede siya dyan mag-design.
Yeah! I love the frosting inside in the plastic. So you're going to squeeze it and order orange. So order.
What color is this?
This is purple, my favorite color, and also pink. Where's pink? No, wala. And also green and white. Wow.
Usually yung pink kasi hindi ginagamit sa
Halloween.
Opo, sa Halloween.
Four cupcakes. I also have a gummy. It's a gummy. It have also a little gummy or candies. This is eyes and this is a mouth. And this is also a little worm. This is his inside and a mouth. And this is all the sticks. Guys, next we are going to add there's eyeballs and there's little small little tiny red ones. And there's a little parang may pa bone right there. And there's also have a little parang pink clothes. Bagay ito sa Halloween. It's have instructions.
What's that?
There also have a TV case. Oh, it also have little designs and connect what is the picture.
Later na yung gawin. Ano to?
3, 1, and 2.
Opo, later na po. Next.
Find correct shadows. Cut and glue. Cut and glue, guys.
Okay. Meron pang ganyan, mga example na itsura ng cupcake. Pwede mong gawin.
Wow. Example design sa cupcake. Ito, there's also sticks, guys. It's toppers.
Nagulat ka, no?
Yeah.
Hindi niya alam kasi. Ang akala niya lang, mag-unboxing kami. Anong gusto mong design? Sa instructions pala, number 1.
Ito.
Gently massage icing bag to eliminate normal separations. So, ima-massage ata siya. Ayan, ma-massage mo siya para, kasi syempre, nag-ano na siya parang nag-separate yung kanyang, frosting. And then, next, cut the tip of the icing bag.
Yala, alam ko na.
With the tip facing up. Then, cut off the very tip of the bag. Start small so you could cut more off later if needed. And then, have fun decorating your cupcakes using the supplied frosting and sprinkles. Cupcakes can be eaten right away or stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator 2 to 3 days.
Lagan na namin link kung gusto mo.
Gusto namin in-order yung page. Dito din yun sa Gentry. Sa Gentry Cavite lang din. To 4 cupcakes, then meron din 4 frostings. Tapos yun, yung mga pinakita sa inyo is for only 280 pesos.
Wow!
Not bad. Okay na rin, diba? Yung meron din silang bento cake if want nyo. Mas mahal atan parang nasa 320. Pero mas gusto ko kasi yung cupcake para at least marami yung magagawa niya. Yes! It's a happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween, guys! I have a scary costume and I have already snakes. That is my costume. Valentina is snake.
Valentina costume.
Valentina's costume.
Wow!
At ako, meron pa ako costume na.
Costume. Look mo na.
Here.
Careful.
First design is ito. The green one. The eyeballs.
Start small only. Yan. Start ka in the middle. You need to press this one like that. Oh.
Yeah, alam ko. Watch ko na yan.
Start in the middle and then make a circular motion. Ang liit. Ang liit pala. Medyo lakihan mo yung ano. It looks like it looks like popo. Tama na, okay na yan. Parang popo.
Tapos the eyeballs.
Actually,
Whiskers.
first time niya kasi.
I'm putting some eyeballs.
Oh,
It's a lucky eyeballs. But we have a little mumu. And then this is the ghost. And then this is the Happy Halloween.
Oh, you want that?
And the top.
Okay. Okay, now we are done now with the first design. Done na yan.
Pupu. Isa. Yung kanina, parang napupu. Parang napupu. There's mga eyeballs.
Pwede na.
Yum.
Oh, tapos ibabalik mo.
Yummy eh. Salap ng icing. I want to take mine.
Tama. Oh, sige na. Natakot. Duling to ah. Parang duling. Next. Ano na?
Orange tongue. Pangit. Guys, okay lang ito. Parang hindi ano, pumpkin.
Yun.
Parang flying in her side.
Cute. Bakit ayaw naman?
It's a last cupcake, guys. Last cupcake forever. I can do this. Nemo is scary. Oh no! What's that? Sino yan? Ay, ghost! Oh no, it's this. It's a ghost.
mata.
And we go.
Ayan.
Here. Ja. Parang
It's a mommy.
Tapos ito, there's boo in her mark.
Lagay mo dito. Para makakain ka na rin.
Ito eyeball.
Oh, careful. Baka mabilaukan. Sarap? Asus. May pagsayo, ah. Mukhang masarap yan, ah. Pwede ni Mami? Ano pwede kainin ni Mami dito? Ano pwede? Yan. Sige.
Bye! Subscribe at my channel.